Hi, good afternoon. How are you doing?
Yes, I'm doing good. What about you? How's your day going so far?
Yeah, I'm fantastic, and my day was really going on fantastic too.
Okay, nice. Yes. So, shall we start with introduction?
Yeah, sure. Hi, this is Narinder Kaur. I hail from Rampur, UP. As far as my academic credentials are concerned, I am postgraduate. I'm really very thankful to my teachers, especially my parents, for instilling in me the moral values that have involved me into an extrovert personality. Hard work, dedication, and communication skill are the areas of my expertise. Basically, I'm a
Mm-hmm.
homemaker, but before COVID, I used to do some singing programs in AIR Akashvani Radio Rampur. But at this time, I'm not doing any job because of my little one. I'm married and blessed with three kids. Nowadays, I'm working on my communication skill. I want to improve my language as I'm postgraduate in this subject. Even I think I'm not a good English speaker, so that's why I want to improve my communication skills. So that's why I'm here. Thank you very much.
That's a great introduction. Are you like, always you have you cultivated this habit of being a soft-spoken person and you speak very elegantly, you have a poise and you maintain yourself very well. So, have you cultivated this habit or by nature you are like this?
I would say by nature, because
Okay.
I'm speaking like this since my childhood.
Very nice. Yes, yes. That's quite
Thank you.
attractive, the way you speak. It's very peaceful and there's a kind of tranquility in you. It's very nice. Okay,
Okay, thank
so
you.
yeah, how old are your children?
My daughter, she is 17 years old, and my son,
Oh,
13 years old, and one more son I have, and he is
hmm.
3.5 years old.
Okay, two teenagers and a toddler with you.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
But both are the kids are in hostels. My kids are
Oh,
grown up. Yes.
mm,
But I have to take care
okay.
only little. My
But
daughter.
sometimes it gets overwhelming, right? With
Yeah,
kids.
sometimes I feel overwhelming. Actually, whenever summer vacations and the winter vacations has come, that time my kids come back from hostel. Otherwise, they are in hostels.
Mm-mm. So how did you convince them to get into hostel? Were they like, resisting at first, or did they like going to the hostel?
Actually, my daughter, if I talk about my daughter, she's a brilliant student in her
Mm,
class. So earlier I was, she was taking the classes from Rampur only. It is the only
mm,
small town, but she, comes only the first rank always. So she always tell me that, Mama, I want to learn the tough syllabus I can do. So I admitted in other school, but she is also got brilliant performance. She has done.
okay.
She had done. So I
Hmm.
should think I should see big school or for her growth as she is a very
Yes.
good mindset mind. So she actually insisted me to go hostel. It was not my plan. Yes,
Mm, very nice. And what about your son?
my
Was he
son
okay?
he is in my son.
Yes, yes. Yeah, you told me even your son is in the hostel. So what was his reaction? Is he happy being in a hostel?
Actually, my son, first of all, he doesn't want to go hostel, but she always,
Mm.
when he grown up, he always follow her sister, as her
Mm.
sister was giving a good performance. So he told me that I want to go hostel as she is
Oh.
going, and I want to enjoy hostel life. I want to see. So I thought I should say.
Mm-hmm. Right. Yes. My kids are small. My daughter is 9 and my son is 4. So sometimes when they are being very troublesome, I just, tell them I'm going to put both of you in the hostel. So it's kind of a punishment. They feel that I know they're really young to be able to understand what it is and everything, but still they say that we don't want to go to hostel. We want to be at home. So it's just I scare them with the name of hostel. So I was asking you, like, are your children okay going to the hostel?
But I, noticed one thing that my daughter was already, she was sincere since her childhood. But I have seen a
Mm,
tremendous change in my son. He was not
okay.
a obedient son as my
Mm-hmm.
perception, but now he is in hostel. So when I saw after 3 or 4 months, I see a tremendous change, like obedient. He becomes very much obedient before.
Mm,
So I think it was a good, it was a
decision.
good decision for him.
Mm,
Sometimes he
mm.
feel regret. He always, told me like procrastination or something else, and here is a math problem, here is a not good food, or here is he is actually in Missouri. It's a hilly area,
Okay.
so it's
Mm,
very
mm,
cool. So sometimes
mm.
I face a very big problem. Mama, I want to come back, but I denied. But last year I thought, okay, you can come back if you are not able to stay there. So, but after giving board her final examination, he
Mm,
denied. He thought that he will stay here in hostel only.
mm, mm, mm. And being a mother also, you need a lot of courage, right? To let your kids be in a hostel or stay away from them.
Yes, definitely.
Mm,
Actually, sometimes I feel regret, because as I am working hard at the age of plus 40, if I would done this type
mm,
of hard work in the early stage, then now I, be a fluent English speaker. So sometimes I feel regret.
mm. Right, yes. The foundation has to be strong, and you want to learn something, it has to start from the very beginning for you to be at,
Yes.
good stage later in your life. But I guess your English is quite good, but what are the challenges that you're facing, and how much do you think you want to improve? Do you have a set goal, or do you want to achieve some stage of this? What is your expectation?
Yes, actually, I faced a lot of troubles in my life regarding English speaking. Actually,
Oh.
I focused only the reading part in my whole life. As I am PG in
Mm,
this subject, I have read so many books, novels, short stories, American literature or Indian literature, short stories, so many books I have read. But that time I didn't think about it that I should speak, as I know so much vocabularies in my mind. And I remembered in that time
mm,
because I did my PG in 2000. And it was a
okay.
long gap for me. Now 2023 is going on 23 years. After 23 years, I'm thinking to learn this language. I want to polish my language in this age. So sometimes I feel difficulties because my
Mm,
kids are grown up. Here so much responsibilities are there. My daughter, called me on Saturday or Sunday to learn to teach the Hindi subjects, because now in February she is going to giving her board examinations, so she wants
okay.
full marks in Hindi. So I have
Mm,
to give tuition online on Instagram on Saturday and Sunday. And if I talk about my elder son, he called me on Sunday for 2 hours. I have to give and listen all the
oh,
things, all the queries. And I have little one, so little one has little different type of requirements.
yes, yes.
Okay, so I am facing this type of problem because if I would focused on my speaking part in early stage, so I will not face this type of problem right now. I always regret.
True, true, true that. Yes. Yeah. And do you have any special quality about yourself that you are proud of? Or you could say your favorite thing about yourself.
Okay, in my leisure time, I like to play harmonium. I think singing and playing harmonium, dholak, and tabla are the main
Oh,
qualities I would say. Yes, I know three
mm,
of the musical instruments.
very nice. You're a music lover.
Yes, I'm music lover.
What type of music do you play or listen to?
I like to listen only spiritual type of song
Spiritual.
like Shabad Kirtan.
Mm,
Yes, I always play give performance on the Gurdwara side on Shabad Kirtan with the help of
mhm,
harmony. Yes.
mm, mm, mm. And one quality of yourself which you want to change.
Mm. Lack of confidence, I would say, or sometimes I stuck whenever I want to join sentence to sentence, as you are giving me question and I am thinking in Hindi and I translate in English, so that time I give answer to you. So I want to change my habit, so I think I
Mhm.
should think in English only. So I try to overcome
Yes,
my
yes.
deficiency. Like whenever I go to the kitchen, I speak in my mind, okay, I am kneading the dough, I'm rolling out the chapati, I cleaning the dishes, or okay, I am making the dishes. Like this type of thing I think in my mind. But
Mm,
sometimes when um, I talk to other people, that time especially relatives, so that time I think in Hindi or Punjabi. Punjabi is my native language. I think in Punjabi and give the answer in Punjabi only.
mhm. Yes,
So
it's
I
quite
think,
confusing when you do not have an environment of English, right? When you're alone, you can think in English or do whatever. But when you have relatives or other people around you, then you have to speak in your native language. So at that time, you end up thinking in your native language.
yes. Actually, ma'am, I
Mm,
have learned a lot of things in my life. Like as I told you, that I am the fond of singing or playing harmonium and all the musical instrument. And I love stitching, cooking, or
okay.
organizing the house, teaching kids. But except this, I think I'm not able to speak in English fluently. So this is the main, lacking of myself. I'm thinking like this.
Mm,
So I
mm,
want
mm.
to yes,
Yes. So I think you are a complete package of a homemaker, right? You like all the homemaker duties, cooking, stitching, singing, all taking care of children. You enjoy all of these works, right?
yes.
Mm.
Because I
Yeah.
got married, there was a huge family, like 26 members were there.
Oh,
That
maternal home or here?
no, here in laws family.
Oh, okay,
Yes,
okay.
I have mother-in-law, three jithanis, three jade, there two children, and grandfather-in-law, grandmother-in-law, their requirements, a lot of work were there. So that time I used to think I should focus on myself, but I couldn't. So that time I saw the advertisement in newspaper regarding Akashvani Radio Rampur. They want only the singing singer. So I give the interview, and I, because of singing, I selected in a first interview.
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah. Do you still live in a joint family?
No, no. Now I'm in nuclear family,
Mm-mm.
so that's why
So
I can.
yes, yes, exactly. Because in a joint family, you hardly have any time to think for yourself. Like you're always
Yes,
accommodated with the thought that, what people will think, or I need to do this first and then do this. That thought will always be
yes,
there. The elders are around and you don't focus much on yourself.
yes. So it is the
Mm,
reason, because of environment. I couldn't practice much. I always search a partner with whom I can practice, but I couldn't.
mm,
Mhm.
mm.
Yes.
So who is living in Dehradun?
Yeah, my daughter. She's in
Okay,
Dehradun, Valam plus
Okay. And your
yes,
son is in Missouri.
Masuri. Yes.
Hmm. So are you a traveler? These places are really nice for traveling, right?
Yes, definitely. The very
Hmm.
nice places like Dehradun or Masuri. If you
Hmm.
didn't visit so far, so I think it's my advice. You should visit for one time, and you would
Hmm.
love it. Yes.
Yeah.
Have you seen?
I want
Have you
to.
seen some hill stations?
No, no, I've never come to North India, but hill stations, yes, in Karnataka we have Ooty, Kodaikanal, these kind of places which I visited. But north of India, no, I haven't gone to north.
Okay. I have visited many places like Kullu, Manali, Leh Ladakh, Rohtang, and I have visited
Oh,
Kerala also, and I love beaches.
hmm.
Yes.
You're quite a traveler then, right?
Yes.
And
Sometimes
the
whenever my children come back from hostel, so that time he insisted
hmm,
to go. So we go.
hmm. So, which was your most memorable trip of your life so far?
I would say Kerala. Kerala or
Kerala.
Leh Ladakh. Both are the kids are my favorite, and I have so many good memories.
Hmm. Maybe given a chance, you would like to go there again.
Yes.
Mm, right. But after you go to a trip and come back home, it's a kind of very weird feeling. You kind of feel lost and you feel difficulty adjusting back to your routine life, right? Does it happen with you?
Yes, sometimes it happens, but actually my kids are very, keen lover of study. So when they come
Oh.
back from travel, so in during traveling they always say like, "Mama, when we will reach our home, so we will start our study like this. I have to focus that one part of this subject like this. So I don't feel
Oh,
like this. Yes.
quite studious children. So are they like, taken after you or your husband? Which one of you is more studious?
I don't know.
You
Both,
don't know.
I would say. Both.
Both. Okay.
Mm. But
Very
I,
nice to have such kids.
yes, but I used to teach my kids when before going to hostel. I used to teach.
Mm.
Yes. But
You were
not
the
my
teacher.
husband, because my husband is a businessman. He don't have the time, much time to give, such type of quality time to kids. So that's why
Mm.
I give my time.
Mm. Right. So if you have any questions, you can ask me, or we could end the session. It's up to you. I think your son is crying for you, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Yes. No issues. You can carry on. Okay then. Yeah, you better adjust to him, his concerns.
Yes,
Yeah.
I have to
Yeah.
go. Okay.
Okay. Bye-bye. Lovely
Okay.
talking to you.
Okay. Thank you. Same
Yeah.
here. Thank you. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Thank you very much. Okay. Bye
Yeah.
bye.
Bye-bye. Bye.
Next time.
Yeah, sure.